Hey, this is Paul again, and we're taking a look at a bank-owned house that just came on the market. This is in Capistrano Beach. It's built as a 3-bedroom home with ocean views, so let's go take a peek. It's a nice little street, beautiful neighborhood here, back into the hills. So let's walk along here. Here's our front door. We're going to bypass that for a minute. Go right in the backyard here. See about this ocean view. And pretty big lot here with a fence, chain link fence. You hear that noise? That is the 5 freeway. And yep, I can see the ocean. You can see the ocean out past that tree there, just barely. But it's more like a freeway view than an ocean view. And this looks like an add-on here on the back. Let's go take a quick peek inside. Interesting. One big living area here with a brick fireplace. Here's our add-on.
Look at that.
No closets. Dining room, kitchen, very dated, obviously. Tile and wood. Like a laundry room here. Let's go. Now remember, they say this is a 3-bedroom. Let's see what we got here. 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. No power. That's one of the baths. Here's a bedroom with a closet. That's original lath and plaster walls. It's not drywall. Here's our second bathroom or bedroom with a bath. But where's the other 3rd bedroom? There is no 3rd bedroom. It's that.
Maybe there was a door here, and that might have been a bedroom. This might have been a 3rd bedroom at one time, because this is an awfully large room for this house. So I think it's probably another bedroom. Oh yeah, this whole wall is done.
Well, it's not a 3-bedroom anymore, and this may not even be a legal addition.
And then the door might have been somewhere in this vicinity, because it's right across from the bathroom. That would be my suspicion.
You gotta love those 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom houses.
Isn't it? Or is it 3?
Welcome to the REO business.
And where people will house other people.
Okay, so this has some issues. See you guys.